Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your workspace and taking immediate action. Open the image, duplicate the background, and set your monitor to neutral light so you see true tones. Use a small 3.5px eyedropper to sample mid-skin areas, not highlights. Then apply a curves or selective color adjustment layer. This gives control without destroying pixels. Once done, lower opacity to preview changes and make sure to save a snapshot. This creates a safe baseline for more detailed work. You now refine midtones and hue. Target midtone points in curves or levels and nudge them by about 5–15% to warm or cool the skin, because small shifts preserve texture. Once midtones are right, use color balance or HSL to tweak reds and yellows. This corrects undertones without flattening color. Make sure to apply a refined mask. Paint with a soft 30–50% opacity brush to limit changes to skin only. And constantly toggle the adjustment layer to compare before and after. You complete the edit with texture and global polish. Use frequency separation. Low frequency layer for color blending and high frequency for skin detail and pores, so tone adjustments stay natural. Then add a subtle global curves layer to adjust overall contrast by about +3 to +8 for punch while preserving skin. If a patch shifts unnatural, isolate it with hue/saturation or sample nearby skin and clone with low opacity. If things still look off, step back, lower adjustment strength.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.